Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about GetResponse, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a landing page in GetResponse? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a landing page in GetResponse anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online, you know it's important to have a lead magnet accompanied with a landing page to build up your email list. And GetResponse is a popular app to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on the GetResponse website. It's this one, app.getresponse.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. Once you go to that website, you do need to log into your GetResponse account. I've already logged in, and this is the home page. And in order to set up a landing page in GetResponse, what you want to do is click on this hamburger menu here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Tools. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you just want to scroll down until you see this button here called Landing Pages. Okay, once you do that, it's going to give you a little bit of information about the GetResponse landing pages. You can read through that, and then you want to click on this blue button here called Create Landing Page. Okay, so the cool thing about GetResponse is they do have AI built into some of their tools, including creating a landing page. So you can go ahead and use a template that's already made, or you can use AI to kind of design a more specific landing page for your particular needs. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just use the already made templates. Okay, so here you can see there's actually quite a few different templates. So basically these are already set up, and you can go in and change the wording, change the images, change the format. So you kind of want to just scroll through until you see one that kind of fits you or your online business. They have different themes, so you can click on adult, arts and entertainment, beauty and fitness. So depending on your genre, so if we did real estate, you're going to get some kind of real estate related. So let me choose business and industrial. So when you're doing this, you kind of have to envision your color scheme and then also your products. So this one looks pretty cool. So let me go ahead and choose that one. And once you click on it, you want to click on use template. Okay, so here is how you can build your landing page. So here at the top, you can go ahead and edit the social media functions. So once you click on it, you can go ahead and double click, and then you can add in your Facebook. You can add in your Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. If you have more platforms, just click on there. So like if you want to add YouTube, and then you can easily just add in your YouTube link there. And then once you're done with that section, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now we're back here, and then you can go ahead and add in your title. So once you click on it, you can go ahead and edit the different fonts. So if you want to decrease it, you can go ahead and drop it from 72 down to, let's say, 36. You can also change the color, the alignment, and then let me close this out. You can see the text has changed. Okay, so once you've moved everything around and you made all the edits that you want to, including the images, the colors, the fonts, all of that, one important step you want to do is make sure that it's going to look correct on a mobile and a desktop device. So you want to click up here for the desktop version, and then that way you can see what it's going to look like when one of your users clicks on it. So this is what the sign up page or landing page is going to look like. And as long as all that looks good to you, click on the mobile version of it up here on the top left. So you'll just scroll through, and then you can see what it looks like on a mobile phone. And if all that looks good, go ahead and click on the continue button here on the top right. Okay, so here you can go ahead and name your landing page. So if this is going to be for stock trading, or if this is for email opt-in or whatever it is, usually what I'll do is I'll click on edit name, and then I'll go ahead and name the promotion that I'm running directly to this. So let's just say MMO July 2024, and then click on done. And then here in the subscription settings, you can go ahead and choose which email list this should be set into. If you want the email confirmation, you want to go ahead and make sure that's blue. Now, if you have an email cycle already set up, you can go ahead and dump this person into that email responder, and then you can choose which day the responder should initiate. Let me scroll down. Okay, you can go ahead and upload a favicon. So this is going to be usually your logo that's going to appear on the tab for your landing page that we're creating on GetResponse. You can do that or not. I would recommend it, especially if it's your logo. Cookie consent, this is really optional. I usually just turn it on, so that way the user has to agree to cookies in order to set that up. You can go ahead and integrate analytics if you want. So you can choose Google Analytics, your Facebook Pixel. In that way you can retarget if allowed. So all you do is just click on the Google Analytics, and then you'll enter in your analytics ID right there. All right, so once you made all of your selections, scroll to the bottom and then click on this continue button. Okay, now you get to choose a domain name. So you can do a custom domain if you paid for the upgraded service. If not, it's going to use a generic getresponsesite.com. So right here, I want to go ahead and put something that's going to be relevant to the landing page. So again, if you're targeting architects or realtors or something like that, you want to be sure to put that in the name, and that way it's a little bit more intriguing to the person who's going to be looking at your landing page that we made with GetResponse. So once you've set that up, go ahead and click on this publish button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and now now our get response landing page is active. So what you can do is you can go ahead and just copy the link right here. All right, once it's copied, you can go ahead and paste it into your social media accounts, your emails, Facebook posts, or wherever you normally share your landing pages. And if you want to see what it looks like live, just click on the link to your landing page on Get Response. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked on it, and you can see here is the landing page that we set up right here. And if you look right down here on the URL, it is realtors.getresponsesite.com. And then here you can see the cookie pop-up right here, and they can click OK. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a landing page on Get Response, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.